Hello everyone. Dream it, wish it, do it. Our motto is like the smallest motivational quote which I have come across. If you dream of something, you can achieve it. This is one of the many powers which we humans have. We are all extraordinary people which we don't realize. Everyone can succeed on this planet provided our efforts are honest. Whenever we hire employees, we expect only one thing. You have to be the best in your field. Be it teaching, mentoring, counseling, developing content, customer engagement, etc. etc. Becoming an employee of Success Viewer Academy is not easy. I'll tell you why. Successful organization. It's a very difficult and daunting task to create a successful organization. Successful organizations are those companies which create products used by people or other companies, and it creates value for its shareholders. It's a difficult task, Successful organization which creates a dent. It is 100 times more difficult to create a successful organization which also creates a dent in the system. As late Steve Jobs once said, we are here to create a dent in this universe. Ones who create a successful organization and they also create a dent are the ones who take industry forward. I'll explain it with an example. Once there was an event of Apple. Apple was supposed to showcase a product. It was a successful product. Apple was a successful company. But there was one X factor in that product. That product was obviously a computer. That computer was supposed to say hello to the audience. Hundreds and thousands of people have gathered in the audience hall just to listen to the computer say hello. I'm talking about 10 to 15 years back, where a computer saying hello was unimaginable. Just before the event was about to start, the computer stopped saying hello. The engineers told Mr. Steve Jobs, "Sir, the computer cannot say hello." Steve Jobs said, Apple is a successful company. People know the computer is successful. People are here just to listen to the computer say hello. Fix it. Or I'll make sure that I'll put the entire blame of the failure of this event on you. The engineer was scared. He somehow fixed the computer. The computer said hello to the audience and the audience was thrilled. Because that time a computer saying hello was unimaginable, unachievable. Apple created a dent. Now Google has devices which says hello. Amazon has devices which says hello. Amazon Echo. So this is what we call a successful organization which creates a dent. So at Success Viewer Academy, we are pushing ourselves to become a successful organization which is creating a dent in the entire system. Our team is working continuously on it. We try to innovate in every possible way we can. We save time, we save resources, and give the best results. This is what I call efficiency. I am from a technology background, and I know very well how we can make use of the technology available today and give the best results to our audience, clients, and any customers we are dealing with. We do a lot of unconventional thinking. We don't think educators in a conventional way. We don't do our branding and marketing activities in a conventional way. In fact, our counselors are very experienced people. They guide our clients in the right direction with a very honest motive. We don't think our aspirants in a conventional way. We try to design our curriculum in a very different way. We influence people to succeed. Hence, we create a dent in the system. One good thing about our system, our way of working is our associates have started copying us. So this is a parameter which I can say that yes, we are succeeding. Thank you. Obsession. The leaders of Success Viewer Academy are obsessed about smallest of things. If something is wrong, it bothers us a lot. We try to make it perfect. We try to make everything perfect so that everyone gets the things which are perfect. Maintain only the highest standards. When we do something, for example, when we are teaching, we first ask ourselves, will we follow the best standards? Have we read the most relevant books? Have we trained ourselves using the best resources? Have we considered the problems of the weakest student of the class? These are some questions educators have to deal with on a daily basis. I personally motivate the people who work with me and the people who work with my people to use the best tools and softwares to maximize their efficiency. Unlearn and learn. We should always make it a habit of reading, be it a book or a newspaper or a journal, etc. Through this, we keep ourselves in sync with the latest happenings all over the globe, which is very, very important. If we are conditioned in a wrong way in a childhood or wherever we have studied things, learned things, we should always have a tendency to unlearn things we must unlearn. Reading is the best way to keep yourself updated. Our company is a sports team. It's not a family. In a family, people tolerate each other's shortcomings unconditionally. They tolerate each other's drawbacks unconditionally. But in a sports team, you are given a few chances to improve. But if you're not an A+ player, we part ways amicably. We don't want that player in our team. Be it an educator or a counselor or a developer, being an A+ player is the least we expect if you want to become a part of Success Weaver Academy. This is how we maintain the highest standards. Be the candidate, not just an aspirant. This is for everyone who wants to achieve something in life. I know you might be saying that candidate and aspirants are the same things. No, they are not. There is a difference between a candidate and an aspirant. The candidate is one who is eligible for the job and has developed particular skills and attitude already for the job post for which they are going to take the exam. On the other hand, aspirants are those people who are eligible for sitting in the examination and indulge more into covering the syllabus only. They have not prepared themselves for the job. This is not what you should aspire. You should be a candidate after an aspirant. Okay, I'll tell you our commitments towards you. I've worked in places where people find hard to adapt to. I've worked in cities which are the jewels of our country. I know the problems a student of any age faces in such places, be it a jewel or a place with limited resources. That is why we work towards a strategy of making students worthy right from their adolescence up to the stage where they start earning a handsome salary. For example, in Singapore, potential candidates are trained from very early age to become civil service officers. It's a fact. Singapore's civil service is considered to be one of the most efficient and law-abiding bureaucracies in the world, with a high standard of discipline and accountability. Just imagine how good a person can become if he's trained from childhood. Success Weaver experts start training students from 9th standard or maybe before that. They recognize their potential at such an early age and counsel them to choose a field wisely and accordingly. This way, their chances of success multiplies. For students who have already completed their graduation, we advise them according to their academic background to opt for the best program to make them worthy enough to get a privileged job. I'm not saying everyone can become an IAS officer. I'm not saying everyone can become an IES officer. I'm not saying everyone can become an IFS officer. You should not aspire to become an IAS officer if you are made for something else. Be it a private sector or government sector, we are there for you until you succeed. Our unconventional methods, out-of-the-box thinking, benefits which we offer by collaborating with already established organizations, by using their smart work with our smart people, we give you the best benefits. It's a whole blend of benefits from smart people to you, to your doorstep. Our rigorous use of technology, our highly competent educators, our highly competent employees have made us the best place to learn, to come and learn and qualify their exam. This is how we try to create Success Weaver Academy as a successful organization that also creates a dent in the system. With this, I say goodbye to you all. Hope to see you again in future. Thank you. Thank you so much.